Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. This year, so many good Chinese dramas have aired and the most common genre among them is the rom-coms. I have also watched and loved some of them and I thought I should share my joy with you guys as well. Cause in this video, I will be counting down my top 10 romantic comedy Chinese dramas of 2021. Some of you guys have may watched some of the dramas from this list. Nonetheless, just let me know which ones you like the most. The comment box is all yours. As always, also check the description box for more information about all the C-dramas that I am gonna include in this video. Now give this video a like and let's get to it. Number 10. Make a Wish. Yu Ji-yan, a typical Buddhist youth who simply goes with the flow and saves a white cat by chance, who turns out to be a cat spirit from the Meow planet located in a parallel world. Taking on a human form, Xiao Xiu must repay Yu Ji-yan's kindness before returning to her own planet. A series of hilarious encounters ensue as Xiao Xiu moves in with Yu Ji-yan, thus beginning an unconventional romance. Number 9. My Fated Boy. When Lin Yang was a young girl growing up in the countryside, she formed a close friendship with a boy from the neighborhood named Lu Zhengan. Despite the fact that she was 7 years his senior, their bond was close and they even played the imagination games whereby they exchanged rings and married. Eventually, life pulled them in different directions and they lost touch with one another. Now aged 31, Lin Yang is working in an office job and living in rented accommodation. Life hasn't gone quite as she would have hoped, but she muddles through her daily life. But one day, her past memories come flooding back to her when Lu Zhengan, now 24, turns up on the scene. He has been studying abroad and has just been graduated. Intent on rekindling their friendship and sparking a romance between them, he inserts himself back in her life. But try as he might, Lin Yang still sees him as the cute little kid from the neighborhood that he once was, a kind of a younger brother. He wants to convince her that his feelings are real, however, and will do his utmost to win her heart. Number 8. Sweet Teeth. Dentist Jing Shu, who also teaches at Donghu University, is known to be the most handsome man at the school. University librarian Zheng Li, however, is prejudiced against him because of a little misunderstanding. When Zheng Li's mother forces her to get braces, she tries to avoid Jing Shu at all costs, but eventually still ends up becoming his patient. As the two interact more and more with each other, Zheng Li realizes that Jing Shu is actually a very professional and caring person and starts to develop feelings for him. Number 7. Unforgettable Love. The drama revolves around He Xiaoyan, CEO of Heishi Group, and Xin Yue, a child psychologist. It tells the story of a rational and indifferent man and a soft, optimistic, considerate, and a meticulous psychologist whose relationship develops from acquaintance to love. Number 6. Moonlight. After graduating university with a major in financing, Choli successfully enters her dream company, Yuanwei Publishing House. However, a challenging path lies ahead of her when she finds out that the publishing industry at this time has undergone huge changes. There she meets author Zhua Xuan, who is said to be gentle as a jade when he is really not. The two are immediately at odds, with Joshua later discovering that Julie is in fact his online friend, Monkey. And then the fun of the drama begins. Number 5. Love Scenery. Liang Shen is devoted to bringing good music works to the listeners, expressing the idea of being kind, real, and perfect. Losing love's computer and big data research, he is highly recognized in the academic field through studying complicated human behavior and psychology, thus influencing the classmates around by his solid specialty literacy. They are strangers at first, but then brought together by big data, and they become closer in the journey of pursuing their dreams. Number 4. The Day of Becoming You. The leader of a boy band and entertainment reporter are forced into many outrageous situations after they switched bodies. Zhang Yi is a big star in the entertainment industry. He is the cold and distant leader of a popular boy band, but in reality, he is simply not good at expressing himself ever since his parents divorced when he was young. Meanwhile, Yu Xingxing has become an entertainment reporter who keeps running up against a stone wall at work. Their lives were not meant to intersect, but an accident results in the two exchanging bodies on their birthday, which happens to fall on the same day. The sudden change catches them off guard, and with only each other to turn to for support in the days and nights that followed, Xiang Yi and Yu Shengsheng gradually fall in love. Number 3. My Little Happiness. Kong Rong has long dreamed of becoming a lawyer, but her mother is absolutely determined to see her daughter study finance abroad, hoping that her daughter will successfully settle down somewhere overseas. Kong Rong's mother won't take a no for an answer. Unable to convince her mother to let her pursue her dreams, Kong Rong has no choice but to do as her mother wishes, or does she? After successfully convincing her mother that she has set off for the distant lands, Kong Rong secretly returns home to begin work as a legal intern. Taking on her first case, Kong Rong comes face to face with her childhood friend Wen Shaoxing. Now a surgeon, Shaoxing isn't just Kong Rong's client, he is also her landlord and next door neighbor. Tied together by the ever-tightening strips of fate, Kong Rong and Shaoxing find themselves drawing closer despite their best efforts. Engaged in a never-ending battle of wits, the childhood friends may fight against the ties that binds them, but how long will they be able to resist the inevitable? Number 2. Falling into your smile. Student Tong Yao makes two vows: to never be in a relationship with someone in the same field and to make up for the Chinese League of Legends. When Tong Yao earns her spot as the first formal female player in the China's professional league, she catches the attention of an elite team captain. Facing doubts and inconveniences, she meets each challenge with her own persistence and her teammates' support. After much effort, what will become of her vows? Will she stand on the world stage to make up for the 6 years of regret? Will she avoid a romantic entanglement within the e-sport world? Number 1. You Are My Glory. A story that follows an aerospace engineer Yutu and the shining star Xiao Jingxing. A decision to start gaming in order to save her endorsement deal brings her face to face with an old crush. As they grow closer, the two forge ahead to become each other's glory. Being a well-known celebrity, Xiao Jingxing has to keep up appearances to maintain her multifaceted image. Alas, one starts to crack when someone leaks a video of her playing an online game and being just terrible at it, which is completely inconsistent with the image she has created for herself as the game's ambassador. Thus, she joins a gaming competition to prove her skills and to prevent herself from losing her endorsements. Xiao Jingxing decides to use all her free times towards improving her game, and her decision leads to reconnect with her old high school classmate Yuto, whom she once had a crush on. He was a legend at their school, outstanding in everything that he does, while Xiao Jingxing was just your average girl. Yuto has gone on to become an aerospace engineer who is also an expert gamer. It seems that the online game has brought them together once more, so she asks him to become her gaming coach. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.